Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to change the secure folder pin password or pattern in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on security and privacy. Now in security and privacy, scroll down and click on more security settings and then click on secure folder. Now after opening the secure folder, click on lock type. Now first of all, enter your current pin password or pattern and then you can choose your secure folder pin password or pattern. So if you want to set the pattern lock for secure folder, then tap on pattern and then draw a pattern, then click on continue and then draw the pattern again to confirm. So that's how you can change the secure folder pin password or pattern in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.